Hello. My name is Howard the Duck and I am pissed off right now. Yesterday, Fritz the Cat and the Ralph Bakshi Bunch did not invite me to their orgy. So for that I got Yogi Bear and Huckleberry on to help me steal their Dildis and end call buttons. So Huck, are you ready?
Yes. Let's go to the Ralph Bakshi Bunch and steal all their Dildis and end call buttons. And if they try to stop us, we will rape them.
Hey, Fritz. The Dildis and end call buttons are gone.
Well, sound the fucking alarm or I will rape you. Someone is attempting to steal the Dildis and end call buttons. Someone is attempting to steal the Dildis and end call buttons. Someone is attempting to steal the Dildis and end call buttons. Someone. Don't worry, guys. I will fuck the alarm. Now taste my cum, you alarm. Swa 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 swa. Shafa Sagoy Prasadio and Yanis Bodio Bognish Mod of Ranu Mogobian you and Kubi Wogan over the Bay Hibdion Bossfish Sort of Babsy and 16 Nickel Joy and Edgepool Jug 5th Tile Gitly and School Dowd CGH Vaoageman with Sage La Joy Adjiox Clidridge Joy Gioy and Jidl and so on who even Bog Jiffa Joseph and me a Thion Phage. We must not let them take our Dildis and end call buttons. How the fuck are we going to leave the call when we are getting trolled? Since you are trying to stop us, I must rape you. You're trolling, Howard, so I am leaving this video using your Dildis and end call buttons. As Dildis Jeff likes to fuck Austin and James, I mean James trolling Timmy's legs. He really wants to ponic Lewis. RCD shame crash the popsicle truck of kids. This video will be flagged. Fritz will leave because we are owning him at rape. Suck my feathery cup. Now your fur will be white. Swa 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 swa.